there is one very common problem that I have noticed in almost every single English learner is that they forget what they read. Yeah, that's the problem. But in my case, it doesn't happen. You have a problem. This is very common problem. I used to face this problem when I was a beginner. And if you want to do the same, if you don't want to forget what you read, watch this video till the end. I am going to give you 3 solutions for this that will help you remember everything that you read. So the first solution is, like, I am reading a book named The Experiment, My Experiment with Truth, and I don't forget what I read from this book, and I am reading every single day, and I have read half of this book. And let me explain to you what I mean. If you are facing this problem, the chances are that you are reading passively. When you read passively. And what do I mean by that? You are reading page after page after page. You are reading just passively, and by the time you close the book, you don't remember anything. This is what happening to you. But you don't have to passively, okay? You have to read 2 pages, then close the book, and then try to remember what you have just read. And this is what I do. I think it is likely to rain, and it started blowing air, but I will continue to make this video. Okay, so where was I? I was talking to you about, like, don't read passively. I want you to read 1 page and then close the book and try to remember what you have just read. This is the first solution, and that way you are forcing your mind to remember. That way you are training your mind to do that. Initially, when I was in the initial phase of my English fluency journey, I used to do the same. But since I started reading 1 page and closing, reading 1 page and closing, I don't do that now, but earlier I used to do. So I want you to read 2 pages, then close the book, try to remember, then again read 2 pages, then close the book. This is how you are going to just remember a lot from what you will read. Now let me tell you the second thing. This is very important. The second solution is, after reading, write the same things in your own words. Let's say you read a story, then I want you to write the same story in your own words. How would you describe the story in your own words? That way you train your mind to remember the characters in that story. That will help you remember everything that you have just read. So this is the second thing that you have to do. What you do? You sum up the story that you have read in your own words, and this is how you are going to remember everything. This is what I do. And the third thing, this is a bonus tip that I want to tell you. Basically, there are 3 things that you can do to solve this problem. The first thing that you do is you read 1 page and then close the book and try to remember. The second thing that you do is make notes in your own words, and the third thing that you do is note that the sentences that hit you, because this way you are going to remember everything. And by the way, you don't have to remember everything, okay? That's okay not to remember everything. So yeah, these were some quick tips that I have given you. Now use these tips and remember what you are reading. By the way, let me know in the comment section what you are reading these days, because it shows who are my audience, what are they interested in. So let me know if you are reading anything. Let me know in the comment section. And I think it is going to rain heavily today, so I have to